Hi everyone and welcome to my course, Firebase Functions Fundamentals. My name is Ervis Trupja and I'm a self-employed web developer and trainer. In this course, we are going to talk about Cloud Functions for Firebase as a great service which allows us to run backend code in response to events triggered by Firebase features and HTTP requests. Some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding Cloud Functions, calling, triggering and writing Firebase functions, testing Firebase functions, and upgrading Firebase functions. By the end of this course, you'll know enough to take advantage of the amazing Firebase functions as a serverless compute solution for creating event-driven applications. Having previous experience with other Firebase services is recommended, but it is not required. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn Firebase functions with the Firebase Functions Fundamentals course here at Pluralsight.